They're so colorful and they're so nice to me, and you're gonna make me run them over?
Oh, and they're filled with something special.
A little surprise inside. I was hoping I would never see the surprise inside, but now we're gonna find out what's inside. That guy's totally gone. Look at the tire prints. What the heck happened to him?
They squished him.
He's just cool, dude. It's just fine.
Oh, boy, he was my favorite anyway. Look, they all regurgitated. Look how gross this is.
Next up is my Fortnite squishy going right here. He's totally fine. I knew it. I didn't even get a turn last time, so now I'm gonna try to pop a balloon so I can run over all of y'all's stuff.
Please, Miss Chad.
Come on, balloon.
Okay, but you're next.
Yeah, where's your items?
I only have one.
Oh, I see 3 in there.
No, I only have one.
What else you got in your
My
pocket?
unicorn.
Let's see.
Here. Oh, pink one.
Oh,
It's so
look at
cute.
these. Look at these little
My
squishy
favorite.
Ooh, that was fun.
I have 2.
You got 3.
Oh.
Oh! Whoa, what happened to Pinkberry?
Oh my gosh, they all survived. And they made really satisfying noises.
I don't know. This guy did not survive.
Oh, no, my favorite.
He popped. Okay, Regina, what's your item?
My little chickens. We got Nick, Joe, and Kevin. I have a good feeling something really cool is gonna happen. They got me all wet. Their eggs popped. You see, this is the yolk.
Disgusting. But don't tell me I have to destroy all my toothpaste.
Why do you have so much toothpaste, Daniel?
I see those teeth.
They're not that white. That's why I bought so much. This is all I have, Regina.
That's disgusting.
Toothpaste!
Is that toothpaste or green slime? I can't tell. Yeah, you can brush your teeth. Oh my.
I need new pantalones.
It looks like green slime for real.
Yeah, like the slime they put on my head that one time.
Oh.
Oh.
Daniel's turn.
Ready to miss?
Ooh, why do you think I'm gonna miss? I always don't miss.
Regina, remember your throw?
Oh.
I'm not gonna pull Regina because I am Daniel. 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
What?
How did this happen?
It went. Wait.
Are you sure you're not Regina?
Hey, it takes skill to get it in the pool. Aiming over there, you know what I mean?
Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we need Regina to try again. Daniel, you're out. Regina, you're in. If you get this one in the pool, please don't.
I won't. I got this.
Okay. Oh! What? Regina!
What is going on?
This is even worse because it's in the big pool now.
Oh my gosh, Regina.
The balloon's that way, you big goon.
Next person to go swimming, be careful. There's sharp items at the bottom of the pool. Okay, Daniel, I think you need to try again.
All right, okay.
No more pools. What item do you want run over?
My squishy blue ball.
Your squishy ball. Put it underneath the back tire, Regina.
Mr. Ball, he still works.
Why do you call everything Mr. Bear, Mr. Ball? Hang on. That was somewhat satisfying, but you know what's gonna be really satisfying? If we cut a little slice. There. Oh. Okay. This is gonna be fun. Oh my gosh, I'm turning blue. We're all turning blue. Not my breakfast pineapple. Oh, how could you run this over, Daniel?
You eat breakfast for pineapple?
I mean, yeah, I eat breakfast for pineapples.
You know what I mean.
Uh-huh.
On the new season of Live Rescue.